What's up, YouTube? It's JTV back again with another banger. You feel me?
Sir.
Got YKJ in the building. Got Pops in the car. Right now we at the IX Center. To show y'all a couple cars. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all when we get back inside. Alright, we just made it inside. Let me look at these cars, you feel me? So boom, we got the little C8 right here, little orange C8. This thing perfect. You already know how this thing goes. That thing goes stupid. Got the wheels on this joint. That's one of the cars I'm trying to get. So I get a little older, get some money. This thing fire, that's for sure.
All the cutting, they do all the snow. But you're right.
Going for 95. Hey, I don't know what this is, but this little truck go fire. Silverado, it's a new Silverado. It's a new Silverado. That thing fire. Papa, I like this. But I think it's electric though. This would be fire for the dog. Hop in there. Another C8 red guts. Some different wheels on this one. Different spoiler. This one go crazy too still. The new Z06 right here. Oh my god. It's like a dream for me. That thing fire for sure. Peanut butter bits. Got a splitter on this one. 670 horsepower right here. Oh, this is Z06 too. 2.6. It's crazy. Heads up display.
Notice there's no price.
Oh my god. Carbon fiber. We got, the SS right here. This thing got stupid. Actually got to run with an older SS coming soon. It should be coming soon. It's winter right now, so we can't get on runs in, but this orange thing, this thing got stupid. Yeah. Going for 49, not too bad. Hey, I can see Jay in this little thing.
How good?
He might crash though, he don't know how to drive for real. As the comments were saying. Alright, so right here. They been making these things look hard. Cool. I don't like the wheels though. Inside kinda nice. Little spoiler. This thing hard too for sure. This one going for 62. Pop's trying to get some. I can see him up in that thing. Let me show that thing. Hey, we up in here.
Hold on, look.
The thing kicked back.
This how he'll be for real.
Oh, for real? Oh, no, yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Hey, this thing fire. Oh, I like this one too. Huh? I like both. Look at this side. Them things is fat brakes.
Ticket on that.
Hey, when I get my 5.0, I'm thinking about making it this color right here. This thing hard. Fire. A6. Where is that? 70. When you open that thing up, it got the audio on there. Here we go. Hey, this thing hard. Boom, full pedal shifters. You got a full display. No room in the back seat for real, but sunroof. That thing fire. This thing fire. I like that gray, like that Nardo gray. Only thing, it's hard, but I like, they need to do something with that. I think a little different. It look kind of electric. No, we like that muscle car look. Oh, so it was electric. I I want misconstrued. This one ain't open. I kind of like this color. Yeah, this thing hard. It look weird though. Oh yeah, that's what we talking about. M5. Got the bronze wheels. This thing hard. This is the one right here. Look at the color. That thing matte. The wheels 42. Fire. It says it's going for 142. Yeah. Bronze wheels. Oh yeah, I was just watching this. Look at the back of the seats. Look at the back of this thing. Carbon fiber sport. Hopping up in this thing. Oh yeah, man, when I say this thing, this it. I like this better than Hellcat. Everything. The seats is just bolstered. I mean, bolstered up. Let me turn the audio down. No copyright. Look at it. Look at this though. And then the back of seats is just, oh my God. Hey, I'm in here. I'm getting busy with whatever. Hey, this is my new favorite whip, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is my new favorite. I need the M5. And this thing get busy drifting. Hey, this one hard too. It's for we got S550. You know what I know about? No, but this money. These money over here, Maybach music. G-Wag up right here. Big thing. I don't really like them all like that, but hey, they still tough. You can't take that away from them. Dang. 131. 162 pounds. I'm cool. I'm good. Hey, it's tough though, but I'm straight. It's the TRE. What is it? TRE or TRO? TRD. I'm sure. Alright, this thing. Hopping that thing. Hopping that TRD thing. You know, I'm used to the cameras. That's what my whip finna be. Little sound. I like the color of the car. That's the race car. Toyota Supra. We had one of these on the Infinity video. It's just too little for me. The back of the Supra is so hard. Hey Jay, what you say?
What is he doing? He about to take off in this thing. Come on, man. Get off.
One day I should have waited. You know, we used to these things too. Kia Sniper thing. I was just looking at it. Ain't it called the, what is it called? The Scorpion, yeah.
Man.
We got the little K5s. K5 thing. This thing. I ain't gonna lie. It feels better than Jaden's car. That's all I know is walk KJ. But I don't think it's fast. It definitely ain't fast. Got the little electric for, you know, we don't mess with those. This is what I mess with right here. Give me like 4 years, 3 years. We coming 5 or 3 years. Depending on how y'all get me right on this YouTube.
You can't see the lock right now.
Sheesh. It's me right here. Going for 51. Hey, yeah, I'm blowing the doors off, Jay. We got the coloring thing. Oh. Jeez.
I love this though. I ain't gonna lie. Right here.
This thing hard. Hey, this green is so hard. We got the Urus right here. You know this thing fire. All the rappers got one of these. That thing's fire. This look like a Huracan or something like that, or Evo.
Over there.
It's the new Z. I don't like it, for real. It's alright. The front, ugly to me. Hey, no cap, it's the blue, because I love this truck now. The truck fire. But this right here, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing fire. It's fire. I'm hopping up in this thing going crazy. Hey, this thing hard, engine in the back. Little Q60 thing. Probably fire. I mess with it. Hop in the thing. Seats feel cool.
The slow.
180 on the damn.
The
Which
slow.
yours got?
The slow.
Which
180 on the dash.
Okay, same thing
The
then.
slow Q60.
This is CT5 right here. That thing fire.
green up.
I like this thing. This thing crazy.
This the new Lexus that just came out. I got a V8 in it.
That thing look crazy. I like this thing. This thing fire too. It's hard. Bugatti. I mean, that used to be my favorite. This thing crazy. STO thing. This McLaren is fire. No, I like this STO though. Hey, I'm gonna be able to get this one day. I ain't tripping. All these things. Fire. Over there. McLaren. No, because they connected. Jeep and all is going to be over there. You like this? I wish y'all could see the color and
A McLaren.
We buy the old school cars right now. Buick. Yeah, this one. This one right here. Mustang. You know, I like the Chevelles when it comes to the old school ones.
This is it right here.
What?
Cutlass.
This one? I like your body style better though. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. I didn't even do a video on the Cutlass.
I like it.
Pimp car right here, wagon in the back.
Sick, eh?
The Charger. What you think it is? 1970 or what? 69? I think it's 71. That thing was. What is it, Pontiac? I don't know. Yeah, Pontiac. Hey, this hard right here with the bike in the back.
It's a hard.
This hard right here. The Torino. They be fast. At this, what the one dude had, you remember?
Yeah, he ain't gonna talk to me.
Yeah. It's like the cleanest one out of all of them. TRX thing. This is what Jalen got.
They faked it. No, Jordan,
Look,
they faked it. This not a TRX.
Yes, it is. Look. Supercharger, my boy.
Oh, where's that?
You don't see this big supercharger?
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm tripping.
That thing hard. TRX thing, popping up thing. Oh yeah, this that big boy. It's only 120 though. It's only 120 on the dash. But it's still fire.
You said
It's only 120 on the dash. But they just get up though. Paddle shift is clicky though. So panoramic.
Yes.
This thing crazy.
He got his Hellcat. It's a race car too. Jay a little mad. He'll get one little car. Little Durango thing for only 5.7. The little thing. Just a little Hemi. Big Rango. Little son. Hey, two little jump. How much is it that?
54? Hey, two in your Rango, man.
What's your name, man?
Mopar.
Mopar or no car. This right here, 707 horsepower, smoking the SS. Look at this Alfa Romeo thing. It's cool. I like that. I like that blue. What that's that? It's ugly.
Are you talking about the Hellcat?
Yeah, new Hellcats.
The SRT?
Hey, these, I like these. This got a panoramic too. We'll be cruising in here, y'all. Yes, sir. That thing. Turbo.
Yeah, turbo.
Alright, y'all, we out of there. Hey, hope y'all like the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Got this little Q50 here. Little sport, little. Oh, it look good too. It look good. Oh, you see what he got on there? Carbon fiber spoiler. But without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and check out, man.
When it's time to come outside, nobody with it. They call me roll 2 times, I'm ballin', I'm not Scotty, but I'm pimpin'. I'm in the driver's seat, not 16, but I'm 14 and I'm whippin' though. Me and all my niggas really cooking in the kitchen though. Go inside, I been in my bag, make them drop down. I just laugh when they hate on me cause I'm on top now. I be in the kitchen whippin', flippin' cause I'm hot.